In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 403 authentication failed using multiple methods. Go to the Windows search bar and search for Roblox Player. Right-click on Roblox Player. In the pop-up, click on Open File Location. Right-click on the Roblox player again and click on Open File Location. Right-click on Roblox Player Beta. In the pop-up, click on Properties. In the Properties menu, go to the Compatibility tab. Now check the Run this program as an administrator option. Click on Apply and OK. Attempt to play Roblox one time. If you still get the issue, go to the Compatibility menu again. This time, uncheck the Run this program as an administrator option and click on Apply, then OK. If you still get the authentication failed error, then you should check if you are connected to any VPN or not. Click on the Windows button and launch the Settings app. On the left side menu, click on Network and Internet. In the menu, click on VPN. If you are connected to any VPN, it will show here. Disconnect and delete any VPN if you are connected to one. As you can see, I am not connected to any VPN, so I will leave this as it is. If you still have the issue, then you should uninstall Roblox and install it again, but while uninstalling, you have to remove any previous remnants of the app. To do this, right-click on the Start button. In the pop-up menu, click on Installed Apps. In the Apps menu, look for Roblox Player for User. Click on the three-dot icon beside the app. In the drop-down menu, click on Uninstall, then Uninstall again. Go to the Windows search bar again and search for Run. Click on Run. In the pop-up, type app data just as shown on the screen. After writing, click OK. Open the Local folder. In the folder, look for a folder named Roblox. Delete the Roblox folder from here. Go back once and open the Local Low folder. If there is a folder or file resembling Roblox, delete it. As I don't have one, I will leave them as it is. Now, if you install the Roblox app again, you should not face the same problem as before. Following these steps, you can fix the Roblox authentication error easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.